Right, enough load on the washing. This load's done. So I'm going to get it out and put it in the dryer. Those are my trousers. I think that's somebody's vest. Put that in there. And that in there. That. That's the bowl that you put the washing liquid in. Put that down here. I don't think we'll need that for the woolies. We'll see. Put this in the dryer. Some pants and some vests in the dryer. I'll try not to leave anything in there, because last time I put something in the dryer I left some socks in the washing machine. That is the colour catcher. I'll put that in the bin. So now I'm going to put a new load of good woolies in there. I'm going to pull the wood, but first I'm going to start the dryer off. It's already switched on at the wall. I'm not going to stand here while the whole time it's drying, because it's about 80 minutes I've put it on for. Oh, you can't see. Where's it? Oh, there it is. 80 minutes I think it's put up on for. Never mind, that'll do. It'll be nice and dry by the time it's finished anyway. Yeah. The other lot that was in the dryer before is nice and dry now. Don't think we'll even need to hang on it. It still feels warm. This. Now first of all, before I put them in, I've got to check what I've got to do. Because I don't usually do the washing. I've got a little booklet that tells me how to do it. My mum told me how to do it and I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. So I have to make sure, because I'd forget what to do when first. So I'll take this in. First, we've got to put some stuff in first before we put the actual woolies in. So we need lime scale prevention tablet, colour and dot collector sheet. So we need those. I'm going to have to put the tablet down while I'm doing this. I think I can't do it with both hands. Well, at least you can see something, it's not just dark. Bear with me. So, I've got that, that's a line scale prevention tablet. That goes in. Then, I need a colour and depth collector sheet. So, put this back. Now we need this, one of these. Put one of those in there. Clothes in, I think. Put clothes in drum. No. Then I'm going to have to leave you because a lot needs 2 hands. Hold on a minute, we'll see. Socks. That's a jumper. Some more socks, loads of socks. I don't even know if they've got pairs. Just shove them all in. Shove them all in. There we go. Now, next thing we need to do is we need pink bottle of Persil or Tesco's Silk Delicates. One moment. Enjoy the window. I've got the bottle. That's the bottle. I've got to put that into the tub. Hold on. Transparent bowl. I don't know where the transparent bowl is. Have we got a transparent bowl? I can't see a transparent bowl. Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, heck. Hold on. I know we had one somewhere. Transparent bowl. I don't know. There was one. Oh. I don't know. I'm going to have to leave you and see if I can sort out a transparent bowl, but anyway, if you did like this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. I don't know what I'm going to do about the transparent bowl. Bye.